Welcome to Rotterdam, the modern heart of the Netherlands, where cutting-edge architecture meets rich maritime history. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey through 7 of the absolute best places to visit in Rotterdam. From jaw-dropping landmarks and hidden gems to cultural hotspots and must-see attractions. Whether you're planning your first trip or just looking for inspiration, this list has something for everyone. So grab your virtual passport, hit that like button, and let's explore the coolest city in the Netherlands together. Let's dive in. Seven, Erasmusbrug. The Erasmusbrug, or Erasmus Bridge, is one of Rotterdam's most iconic landmarks, celebrated for its striking design and symbolic presence in the city. Spanning the Euromast River, this elegant structure connects the northern and southern parts of Rotterdam, embodying the city's spirit of innovation and unity. Designed by Ben van Berkel and completed in 1996, the bridge is affectionately nicknamed the Swan due to its graceful, asymmetrical pylon that resembles the neck of a swan poised in motion. At 802 meters long with a 139-meter-high pylon, the bridge is both a feat of engineering and a piece of public art. By day, its clean white silhouette stands out against the dynamic cityscape and bustling river below. By night, it transforms into a luminous structure, illuminated by carefully placed lights that enhance its sculptural form and cast shimmering reflections on the water's surface. Beyond its physical appeal, the Erasmusbrug holds a symbolic place in Rotterdam's identity. It represents progress, resilience, and the connection between history and modernity, a fitting tribute to a city that has rebuilt itself with strength and creativity following the devastation of World War II. Six, Markthal. The Markthal in Rotterdam is a stunning fusion of architecture, art, and everyday life. A space where function meets beauty in the most vibrant way. The building is instantly recognizable for its dramatic, horseshoe-shaped arch that houses apartments along its curve, with a bustling food market nestled beneath. This innovative blend of residential, commercial, and culinary space makes the Markthal not just a marketplace, but a living, breathing part of the city. Its open glass facades at either end flood the interior with natural light and provide an inviting transparency that draws people in from all directions. What truly sets the Markthal apart, however, is the enormous artwork that covers its entire interior ceiling, aptly named the Horn of Plenty. Created by artists Arno Konen and Iris Roscom, this massive digital mural spans over 11,000 square meters and features an explosion of oversized fruits, vegetables, flowers, and insects rendered in hyper-realistic detail. The vibrant colors and immense scale of the artwork create a cathedral-like atmosphere, turning a simple trip to the market into a visual feast. It transforms the building into a modern-day, Sistine chapel of food and life. More than just a beautiful structure, the Markthal captures the spirit of Rotterdam, creative, resilient, and always forward-looking. It embodies the city's talent for reimagining urban space in ways that serve both aesthetic and practical purposes. 5. Euromast. The Euromast stands as a proud symbol of Rotterdam's skyline, a soaring testament to the city's ambition, resilience, and love for bold design. Over the years, it has evolved into one of the city's most beloved landmarks. Rising to a height of 185 meters with its space tower extension, the Euromast offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire city, the bustling port, and on clear days, even as far as The Hague and Antwerp. What makes the Euromast especially beautiful is its elegant yet powerful silhouette, which stands tall against the ever-changing Dutch sky. The structure's sleek, cylindrical shape tapers gently as it rises, giving it a futuristic look that still feels timeless. The observation decks are designed with wide, sweeping windows that allow visitors to fully immerse themselves in the surrounding landscape, making the experience as much about connecting with the city as it is about seeing it from above. At night, the Euromast takes on a magical quality, softly lit and watching over the city like a quiet sentinel. Its beauty lies not only in its form, but also in the emotions it evokes, a sense of wonder, perspective, and pride. 4. SS Rotterdam. The SS Rotterdam is a floating icon of maritime history and elegance, moored gracefully at the edge of Rotterdam's Kinderdijk district. Once the flagship of the Holland-America Line, this grand ocean liner was launched in 1958 and spent decades crossing the Atlantic in style, connecting Europe and America in the golden age of sea travel. Today, beautifully restored and permanently docked, the SS Rotterdam serves as a hotel, museum, and cultural venue, inviting visitors to step back in time while enjoying all the comforts of modern hospitality. The ship retains its original 1950s Art Deco interiors, filled with rich wood finishes, polished brass, and elegant lounges that reflect a bygone era of sophistication. Walking its decks or sipping coffee in the captain's lounge, you can feel the echoes of a glamorous past, when ocean liners were not just transportation, but experiences in themselves. Each detail, from the sweeping staircases to the vintage signage, is a tribute to craftsmanship and timeless design. But the SS Rotterdam's beauty is more than aesthetic, it's symbolic. It tells the story of Rotterdam as a city of movement, trade, and resilience. Moored with the skyline in the background, it offers stunning views of the modern city while anchoring it firmly in its maritime heritage. 3. Museumpark. Museumpark in Rotterdam is a serene oasis in the heart of the city, where nature, culture, and architecture come together in perfect harmony. Designed by Dutch architect Rem Koolhaas and landscape architect Yves Brunier, the park is more than just green space. It's a thoughtfully curated environment that connects some of Rotterdam's most prestigious cultural institutions. Flanked by world-renowned museums like the Boijmans Van Beuningen, Kunsthal, Het Nova Institute, and the Depot Boijmans Van Beuningen, the park forms a vibrant cultural corridor where art and landscape seamlessly blend. The beauty of Museumpark lies in its diversity of spaces and the way it invites both quiet reflection and lively exploration. Wide lawns, modern sculptures, water features, and tree-lined paths create an ever-changing visual experience as you move through the park. It's a place where students read beneath leafy canopies, families picnic near modern artworks, and visitors stroll between museum visits, all against a backdrop of innovative architecture and lush greenery. What makes Museumpark truly special is its ability to ground the city's cutting-edge culture in a peaceful, almost poetic setting. Here, Rotterdam's bold architectural identity softens into moments of calm and inspiration. 2. Cube houses. The cube houses in Rotterdam are one of the city's most striking architectural landmarks. Bold, unconventional, and instantly memorable. These tilted, cube-shaped homes are perched atop hexagonal pylons, creating the illusion of a forest of abstract trees. Located near Block Station, their playful design and geometric ingenuity challenge conventional ideas of living space and urban planning, making them a symbol of Rotterdam's creative and experimental spirit. The tilted cubes, each angled at 45 degrees, create a dynamic rhythm of shapes and shadows that seem to shift as you move around them. Their bright yellow facades contrast sharply with the surrounding modern buildings, adding a pop of color and a sense of vibrancy to the city. Despite their unconventional appearance, the houses are fully functional homes, compact, efficient, and filled with clever design solutions that turn a small, angular space into a livable, even cozy interior. More than just a housing project, the cube houses are a living piece of architectural art. They reflect Rotterdam's openness to innovation and its willingness to embrace the unexpected. 1. Kinderdijk Windmills. Kinderdijk is a picturesque village near Rotterdam, famous for its iconic windmills that have become a symbol of Dutch ingenuity in water management. The site features a network of 19 well-preserved windmills built around the 18th century, which are designed to pump water out of the low-lying polders and prevent flooding. These windmills are a testament to the Netherlands' long-standing battle against water, showcasing how the Dutch harnessed wind power to reclaim and protect their land from the encroaching sea. Located about 15 kilometers east of Rotterdam, Kinderdijk is part of the larger South Holland province and has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1997. The windmills stand in 2 rows along the canals, creating a stunning and iconic landscape that attracts thousands of visitors each year. Beyond their historical function, the windmills now serve as a cultural monument and offer insight into traditional Dutch engineering techniques and rural life. Visiting Kinderdijk provides a unique opportunity to explore the interplay between nature, technology, and history. Tourists can walk or bike along the canals, visit the interiors of some windmills, and learn about the critical role these structures played in shaping the Dutch landscape. Rotterdam is truly a city that blends the old and the new in the most inspiring way, from iconic architecture to vibrant local culture. Whether you're an art lover, foodie, or adventure seeker, there's something here that will capture your heart. If you enjoyed this tour around one of Europe's most dynamic cities, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a travel guide like this. Got a favorite spot in Rotterdam that we missed? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.